Fix OmeTV, you have denied access. Today guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on your OmeTV. Let's learn how to fix it. First, just go directly open the settings of your device. Click right now next on the apps option and search for OmeTV. So as you see, it's loading until it's showing me all the application that I have on my device. So when it will showing me, I will search for OmeTV. So I will search now OmeTV this, and I will right now just scroll this list down. Click right now storage option, click clear cache only and back, click add force stop, click OK, come to Play Store or App Store, update OmeTV, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And